Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your text within Adobe Express. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in new.express.adobe.com and press enter. Or you may also use the application if you have it installed on your device. Once you log into your account, you will be taken into your dashboard from which you can choose from various different design options. Now, if you are working on any design and you wish to change the color of your text, then you can simply select the text element, which will open up the text editor. Now, within this section, you will find the fill as well as the outline option. Just click on whatever fill you wish to use as your primary color, and you can also choose the more colors option in order to choose from the various different color options that are available. You can also click on the custom section in order to use the color wheel to define your color yourself, or you can use the pick color option as well. After you have chosen your primary fill color, you can also choose your outline, and after you have made your desired changes, it will be applied to your text right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the color of your text within Adobe Express. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.